Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the Jira Product Discovery. Let's get started. First, go to Jira and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on this small plus icon labeled Create Project next to the Projects option on your left panel. In this new page, click on the Product Discovery option. Then in this pop-up, click on Use Template down here. Next, you need to add some project details, so just type in a name for your project, and then this key will be generated for you. And then for the access, just choose from these options here, and then click on Create Project down here. After that, Jira will generate your new project for you. And just like that, you now have a new product discovery project. If you want to draft a new product idea, click on Create right here. Next, in this field, just type in a brief summary of your new project idea. And then click on Enter on your keyboard. Another feature you can also use is by connecting your product idea to the Jira software. So to do this, click on your selected idea right here. Then this right panel will open. In this right panel, click on Delivery from the navigation menu. Then in here, search for your preferred project. Then search for a work item. And then after that, click on Add right here. And that is how you can use the Jira Product Discovery. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.